Hello into my factory. This is Miniexcavator wheel, and here we can see some damage. Here must be a bearing, but it's gone, and right now this board is really damaged. So, and this is shaft. You can see how much is worn it. Actually, a first time see the shaft what is so worn. I would like to say to the machinist, drive this tractor until the dead, and the company who have this excavator say to me and I should to make a quick solution for this. And solution, what I will do, I just buy two radial ball bearings. Here is into the two lines of balls, locking rings, and I find old forest tractor bolt from what I will make a shaft, and then I will assemble it, and then customer can get this wheel back and mount on tractor and dig. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.